Also, I think I forgot about the hand. Okay, the hand is pretty bad on me. I'm going to zoom it in. Look at here. The hand should like go curve up and down. So let's think about this. Sometimes you don't need to like focus too much on like one part, because that will be pretty bad. You need to think about the proportion here. Okay, so if you just focus on one part, and then you forgot about, oh, there's also like a rest of the body going on here. So let's just add. So there will be a sum here. Okay, I'm really bad at drawing hands, so I just experiment with things. Okay, increase opacity. Okay, this is just too low of the opacity. So kind of like she's like doing this. Okay, it's just up, down. Okay, I want to be affirmative. Up, down, here. Okay, and up, down, here. A little bit correction because I want it to be pushed inside. So color pick it outside, push it inside. Okay, make it a more this part should be like a smaller rather than the same width. Okay, and yeah, yeah, that's pretty much it. The here, okay, I'm just to fine tune this because I already blend these two together. Okay, and the first time I used it like a round brush, I think that's too much of the chunk. So I just using a more textured brush, like some charcoal or pencil, just because I think it's not finished with the coloring process. So I'm going to just quickly add things. I think maybe this is like too flat. Let me just add a little bit of muscle here, up and down. So let's look at the imagine the iPhone like maybe fitting the face, and all this going on down. This is a little bit need correcting. This is like too chunky. Yeah.